who has the most to prove tonight?
I would say it's Meta. And, you know, it's one of those things where we'll see quarter to quarter, Meta will turn in some advertising, really impressive advertising results. But what I really want to hear from Mark Zuckerberg on the call today is some vision around his AI plan. Remember, he's invested billions of dollars in talent. He's reorganized his AI division many times. There was just a report last week that they're letting 600 people go. Is Meta just building another chatbot? And if so, how defensible is the money that they're making today? Because I would say Meta really faces a challenge long term as people decide that they want to become friends with these chatbots as opposed to mitigating their friends with humans through the online social media platforms. That is an existential threat for Meta. I really believe so. And we're going to have to hear something from Zuckerberg about where they want to go.
You feel the same way, Rob, as you own, as we said, all three stocks, this being Meta, the underperformer of late in the group?
No question, it's Meta. We need to see continued ad engagement measured by increasing price per ad, increased impressions, increased time spent, where AI investments have started to yield results. Expectations are for daily active users to increase by 6%. Once again, that's remarkable for a company that has 3.5 billion active users, when outside of China, there are only 4.5 billion people with internet access. That suggests that 75% of the world has access to Meta and is using them on a daily basis. Healthy trends which suggest that the company can continue to invest heavily in their AI infrastructure, but it also allows them to aim for their long-term goal of having top-tier models.
Who do you have the most confidence in tonight then, Rob?
We talked about it on your other show this week. Scott, it would have to be Google. I think they continue to quiet the narrative around search disruption and prove that Google Cloud is gaining market share. Expectation are for search revenues to rise 11% year on year. That's up 9% from Q1 and matches the prior quarter. Healthy results here would illustrate that they are fending off increased competition from AI models like ChatGPT. Cloud expectations are for 30% revenue growth year on year. That would be 8% sequential. It's a smaller base relative to Azure, but it suggests that they're gaining momentum, and customers look to Google for AI compute and access to their AI models. I think they can deliver on these. Plus, it's I think it's the least expensive of this cohort right now going in. So I think that's the big news. Okay. I think the other thing, Scott, just one quick thing, is it's hard to emphasize just how important these companies are. As the market gets more and more narrow, the results from these companies are imperative for new highs. It's just given their size in the indices, a bull market in the Mag 7 is a prerequisite for a bull market overall. And they've been experiencing supernormal growth. The question that we have is, can that supernormal growth continue as they face stiffer competition from one another?